What's going on, guys? It's Rafi here, and I am at a local Kroger store, and I'm going to take you through some of my grocery here. So, first of all, Kroger has a lot of really interesting products that are ready to eat. If you're in a hurry, you want to quickly have some snacks on the go. I mean, you can literally eat these roasted potatoes. Looks like some, I don't know, something in it. Onions. You can just eat these, things like this. Greens. I got this some bread, some dipping bread. I mean, it's not necessarily the healthiest necessarily in the world, but it's it's got some decent amount of proteins in it. I'd say about 4 grams of protein. Focus it on me. All right. Mushrooms. One of the healthiest things because mushrooms contain some minerals and nutrients that you just can't get from plants. So I'm a huge believer in mushrooms. I eat these all the time. Maybe spinach and kale. These are amazing because these are leafy greens, very much needed for all types of phytonutrients in them. I got this tray of veggies that are just all types of veggies. You can see cruciferous vegetables in there as well, broccoli, cauliflower. What are these called? Celery sticks, tomatoes, carrots. Lots and lots of different types of hummus, different flavors. They come in all different flavors. You try to get the ones that don't have the seed oil in them, which most of these don't. But this one might, I don't know, I'm not sure. But I'm just trying them here and there just to kind of add some flavor and variety. Got some carrots as well. I'm probably going to blend all this as well and eat the plants. And then you can't forget fruits. Fruits have tremendous amounts of nutrition in them as well. So here I have a bunch of grapes of different colors. I've got some black ones down there. I got some green ones in there for additional nutrition as well. So
hey, we looked hard for these hummus brands. Tell them what brands they are.
Come on, bro.
I think they're like those two in particular, Cedars or.
I got a dude here who doesn't know how to record videos. So anyway, I'm back again. So basically, the main thing I was trying to highlight here in this cart is that you can find plenty of sources of protein without eating all this ridiculously junky foods. There's plenty of protein, and I'm about to pick up some edamame that's got a lot of protein in it. Broccoli is a very good source of protein. There's protein in hummus is a good source of protein and good fats. There's plenty of options. So you just have to, bro. Can you? Here. So you just have to be creative with it, and you have to have variety, which is the number one nutritional hack. If there was any one thing that I feel like I've learned across all of these 50 plus books I've read recently on nutrition, the number one thing is variety. You have to have variety. So that's what I have for today. I'm going to continue my shopping, and I'll catch you guys in my next episode.